Hello everyone. So today we have 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c very uniquely equals to 148. A, b, and c are the unknown. So we're going to solve together. Let's say solution. Our equation 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c is equal to 148. Here we can factor out any of these terms, but let's factor out 2 to the power of a, and the next line becomes 2 to the power of a, open a bracket, it will be 2 to the power of a over 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of b over 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of c all over 2 to the power of a. If we close this bracket, this all equals to 148. And the next line becomes 2 to the power of a. If you open this bracket, 2 to the power of a divided by 2 to the power of a, that would be 1. Plus here, this is 2 to the power of b over 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of c over 2 to the power of a, all equals to 148. I want to write 148 in its factors, that is 148 divided by 2. What we have is 74, and 2 into 74, that will be 37. So in the place of 148, we're going to write 2 times 2 times 37. So our next line becomes 2 to the power of a, e to 1 plus 2 to the power of b all over 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of c over 2 to the power of a equals to 2 to the power of 2 times 37. 2 to the power of 2, same thing as 2 times 2. So please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, click on the subscription button and leave a thumbs up to encourage us. Thank you. So here we're going to carry out comparison. When we have a base of 2 and is raised to any power, it will end up being an even number. If this is an even number, so here same base of 2 will give an even number, and when it's added to 1, eventually ends up being an odd number. So from here, we have odd, and 2 to the power of 2, of course, that is an even number, and 37 obviously is an odd number. So if we agree on these, we're going to equate even to even and odd to odd, so that we can have the next line as 2 to the power of a is equals to 2 to the power of 2. And since we have the same base, we can equate the powers so that a can be equals to 2. So the value of a is equals to 2. And conversely, we have 1 plus here 2 to the power of b over 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of c over 2 to the power of a. It should be equals to 37. So if we do this very well, we're going to transfer 1 to the right hand side. So the next line becomes 2 to the power of b over 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of c over 2 to the power of a equals to 36. 37 minus 1 is 36. Here, since they have common LCM, we can write as 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c all over 2 to the power of a, and this equals to 36. So that 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c will be equals to 36 times 2 to the power of a. And here we have a to be equals to 2. So we have 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c is equals to 36 times 2 to the power of 2, which is place of a. So here again we can factor out 2 to the power of b, so that the next line becomes 2 to the power of b into 1 plus 2 to the power of c over 2 to the power of b, and this equals to 36 times 2 to the power of 2. But 36 can be splintered into 9 times 4. So in place of 36, we're going to write 9 times 4. So that we have 2 to the power of b into 1 plus 2 to the power of c over 2 to the power of b, close the bracket. This is equals to 2 to the power of 2 times 4 times 9. And this is 2 to the power of b into 1 plus 2 to the power of c, 2 to the power of b, close the bracket. This equals to 2 to the power of 2, and 4 also can be written as 2 to the power of 2 times 9. So in the next line, we can write 2 to the power of b, open the bracket, 1 plus 2 to the power of c over 2 to the power of b, and this equals to 2 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of 2 can be written as 2 to the power of 2 times 2 times 9. So that 2 to the power of b into 1 plus 2 to the power of c over 2 to the power of b equals to 2 to the power of 4. 2 times 2, 4 times 9. In this line, we're going to make comparison also. 2 to the power of b, the base of 2 will give us even. Same base of 2, that is even, plus 1, that will be odd. And here, obviously, this is even, and 9 is odd. Again, we're going to compare even to even and odd to odd. So that 2 to the power of b will be equals to 2 to the power of 4. So that b will be equals to 4. Since they have the same base. And for the odd, we have 1 plus 2 to the power of c over 2 to the power of b is equals to 9. So if we transfer 1 to this other side, 9 minus 1 will be 8. So that the next line becomes 2 to the power of c over 2 to the power of b is equals to 8. So here we can write 2 to the power of c equals to 8 times 2 to the power of b. But we have b equals to 4. So in place of b, we're going to write 4. So the next line becomes 2 to the power of c equals to 8 times 2 to the power of 4. So 2 to the power of c will be equals to 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 4. But a to the power of n times a to the power of m, this can be equals to a to the power of n plus m. So when the bases are the same, add the power. So that 2 to the power of c therefore will be equals to 2 to the power of 3 plus 4, and that is 7. And since the bases are the same, we can therefore conclude that c is equals to 7. So that a, b, and c will be equal to a is 2, b is 4, and c obviously is 7. So to verify this, if this value satisfies the original equation, we're going to write 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c, which was given as 148. So that 2 will be to the power of 2 plus 2 to the power of 4 plus 2 to the power of 7. We want to check if this will give us 148. For 2 to the power of 2, that is 4, plus 2 to the power of 4, that is 16, and also 2 to the power of 7, that is 128. Would this be equals to 148? 16 plus 4, that will be 20, plus 128. Would this be equals to 148? 0 plus 8, that is 8. 2 plus 2, and it's 4, and this is 1. So 148 is equals to 148. And we are fine. So it is true that the value of A, B, and C respectively. Thank you for staying tuned to the end. We look forward to see you in our next video. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed and leave a thumbs up to encourage us. Thank you. Bye-bye.